first ever class meeting on our YouTube channel.
We're so glad you guys came to join us.
So, like always, let's start our class meeting off with a question. Dear class, where is everyone? Miss Liz and Miss Brittany, where are you guys?
We miss you all so much. We don't know where you went to.
So hopefully you're all sitting in your nice comfortable chairs instead of on our rug. But we're gonna run through a quick class meeting like we do every morning. So, should we start with the calendar? Let's start with the calendar. We don't even know what day of the week it is anymore, guys.
Okay. So when you guys left, it was the 13th. But it is now the 18th. So, you guys have been gone for like 5 days. So we've missed Emery's birthday, and we also missed Connor's birthday, and we missed St. Patrick's Day. So, should we sing happy birthday to Connor and Emery?
Let's sing happy birthday to them. Ready?
Come on, Miss Ken.
Here we go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Connor.
Alright, so like Miss Brittany said, today is March 18th, 2020. No, the year has not changed. We are still in 2020 and we are still in March.
This is obviously very wrong, but we're not going to worry about this.
Actually,
use your schedule.
some of your parents wanted your schedules. So maybe we should go over a quick schedule.
Okay.
This is what it usually looks like. We usually have a state of the week, which this week we decided should not be a state, but more like a state of chaos, maybe? Parents can explain that to their
It's a
kids.
state of mind.
Next, we do class meeting. That's what we're here doing. Then we have recess, and we hope that you guys are all having a lot of recess with your moms and dads and brothers, cousins, whoever you're with. Come in, very important time of the day, snack. Make sure your kids are getting lots of snacks. After snack, we do our book of the week, which we included in the sheet in your packets. And we are also going to read you a book here in class meeting. So if you want to use that book, that's what we usually do while we're at school. Then we do our very important go work, which you should all have sheets or instructions on how to do your I'm ready math and reading. Then we do our independent work. Independent work was also in there. Miss Britt, you want to grab our independent work? And we can quickly show parents exactly what that is and kids, because you guys may pretend like you forgot how to do it.
Okay. This is our first level. You guys remember you get to write the word 4 times and this word 4 times. Then you have the box that gives you how many. You count the picture, you write the number, you write the word of the number, and you also circle the number. Then you do the color. So you need to use a crayon or a colored pencil, marker, something, whatever you have to color your circle, and then you write the name of the circle. This picture, you need to copy it twice on the back of your sheets. If you have the 1.5, it only changes a little bit. You still write this word, but you also circle how many vowels are in the word, and you write how many consonants are in the word, and you make a sentence with that word. So, I like oranges would be a great one. You do it with both of the words. Your number, you do the number before this. So if this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you're going to put 6 in your big square, and then you're going to write a 5 before and a 7 after. Your color, same thing, but now you're going to name objects that are that same color. When you do your picture, it's just once, and then you need to answer the graph at the bottom that says how many circles, how many squares, how many rectangles, how many lines, and the color of them, okay? So for the higher or upper level, you guys have a little bit harder. You guys have to do the word, you do the vowels and consonants and how many syllables, and you write it in a sentence as well. Same with your number. Then you need to answer these questions. On the back side, you need to put who is in the picture, what they are doing, and where they are at, and then you draw a picture of that and you write a sentence. Then you need to answer this question for your daily math, and then you have a section to list as many, and each one is going to be different. List as many cities as you can, List as many things that are soft as you can, so each day will be different, but you need to list as many of those that you can think of. And we are not worried about them being spelt correctly. We want you guys to try your very hardest to do this all on your own like you do when you're here at school with us.
Perfect. So, after we get all that done, we usually go to lunch. Lunch is another favorite time of the day. Recess, again, which is great. Then we come back in and do more goal work, which is your math sheets and that type of stuff. So, and we have a second recess for those that finish it. Then we do our learning videos. Learning videos can be anything that goes along with those science worksheets. Wildcrafts, National Geographic,
Cat in the Hats,
Cat in the Hats, Magic School Bus, anything that goes along with those science sheets. We usually watch a video and then we do the science sheet that goes along with it. Then, very important, jobs. I'm sure your parents can all give you a job to do before school dismisses at your house. And then we go home, but where you're already home, I guess it just means that you get to play more. So, last very important thing that we usually do in our morning meeting is rules. I'm pretty sure all of your kids can almost cite these by heart by now, but we figured they would still be very important at your home. So, rule number 1 while you're in school with your parents, you listen with a quiet mouth. Rule number 2, keep your hands and feet to yourself. If you're doing schoolwork with your brothers and sisters, no flailing or hitting them. Rule number 3, you work until you're finished. So whatever worksheet your parents give you, do. Okay? Or they're going to start making you pull chips. And instead of losing recess, you're probably going to have to do an extra tour or something. Rule number 4, follow directions. Listen to your parents, guys. This is hard on them too. And yeah, then we usually count, do ABCs, whatever your kid's on. And I guess the most important thing is don't get sick. And we all really miss you. School is super boring without you guys here. This job just isn't the same.
We miss every one of our kids and we love you guys and hope that you guys have so much fun getting to try school at home with your parents and your siblings, and know that we miss you and can't wait for you guys to come back.